All right, so when I'm working with students in my studio, they usually know these open position chords already. But they don't know that they're movable, and they don't know the fretboard. So if I ask them to play an A chord shape, but play a D chord, they don't know where to go. So I show them, the first way is you can take your A chord, we have to get it to D. So A, march it up, A sharp or B flat, B, C, C sharp, D, right? So we would put the capo at the 5th fret because the 5th fret is D. We're barring that with the capo. We're playing an A chord shape, but it's going to sound D, right? So the marching up method is one way to do it. And I'll have folks do that for a while, but inevitably it's the least consistent because they forget a sharp or a flat somewhere. So again, this is why you just need to know where the roots are, so you can just go there, use the root to tell you where to go, and then to apply the capo. So if I were to take this, if I said, hey, play a C chord, but I want you to do it in the key of, we got to get to the key of E flat. And I tell people, like, pretend you're working with an artist, your favorite artist, and they tell you, hey, this is in the key of E flat. You have to know how to get there and be confident you're in the right place, or it's not going to work out. You're going to get fired. So if we use the marching up method, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, or E flat. Inevitably, when we get into flat keys, it starts to confuse people. So this is why I think it's better. Visualize that C chord. Take either your first finger or your third finger to E flat. Apply the capo. So you're using this root system to just get you there, right? And then you apply the capo. So I would apply the capo at the 3rd fret, play a C chord, and it's going to sound E flat.